What's up, everyone? Rick from 5holesportscards.com with another box break of 11-12 Panini Contenders. This break was on eBay. Last team to sell was the Winnipeg Jets, as you can see, May 17th at 8:17 Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Daylight Time. The current eBay time, I'll refresh here, is May 18th, 1948. All the payments are in, so we're ready to break right away. The serial number for this box, sorry, it's not going to focus. There we go. 181113597. There we go. 181113597. If I can just get it to go on the box, that'd be fantastic. There you go. 181113597. So this is from a sealed case. We still have not pulled the booklet. There's only 3 boxes left, so we're hoping to pull it tonight. If not, the last box ends on eBay auction tomorrow. So jump in on that one. We got a pack that shifted at the bottom. Empty box. All right, good luck, everyone. Pack number 1. Ryder base, Lundqvist, Crosby, a blank, Kiprusoff, Stamkos base, Quick, Phaneuf, Nash, blank, Pavelski, Carter base, Joe Thornton, Backus, Taves, blank, Carlson, Brown, base, Stahl, Gianta, Lightning, blank, Pacioretty, Stewart, base, Whitney, Sedin. We have, for the Detroit Red Wings, the Contenders Legacy out of 999, Steve Yzerman. Steve Yzerman, Detroit Red Wings out of 999. Blank, Richards, Montoya base. Lidstrom, Marchand, Louis Eriksson, blank, Bouchard, Kopitar base, Gaborik, Javy, Stahl, blank, Ginla, Hall base, still want our hits. Where's our hits? Kessler, Oshie, and our first hit is for the Montreal Canadiens, a Calder Contenders out of 800, Louis LeBlanc. Louis LeBlanc for the Montreal Canadiens. So blank, Tavares, and Crawford base. Louis LeBlanc. Carey Price, Kane, Krejci, blank, Teemu Selanne, Brodeur base, LeCavalier, Eliash. We have a Calder Contenders for the New York Islanders out of 999, Mark Katic. Mark Katic. Blank. Ryan Callahan and Phil Kessel base. Got Chris Pronger, Joffrey Lupul. Oh, nice. Nice. For the New York Islanders, NHL Inc., John Tavares. Very nice. Very nice hit for the Islanders. Blank. Jonas Hiller base. Cam Ward base. Josh Harding. Chris Letang. Vlad. Blank. Skinrar. Alfredson base. Duncan Keith, Jose Theodore. For the Nashville Predators, a Calder Contender out of 999, Ryan Thang. Ryan Thang. Blank. Corey Perry, Yarmer Yager base. Still looking for one more auto, hopefully. Hemsky, Zetterberg, and for the Nashville Predators, an NHL Inc. of Blake Jeffrion. We hit the Jeffrion sweepstakes. We hit the sweepstakes. That's an inside joke between Jay and I. St. Louis and Hemsky base. Hemsky. The Boom Boom sweepstakes. Mikhail Grabowski, Craig Anderson, Ovechkin base. A blank. Oh, blank. Zetterberg and Getzlaf base. Big winners in the Boom Boom sweepstakes. Varlamov, Eberle, Malkin, blank, Pominville, Datsuk, base. Giroux, Ben, got an extra auto. It's a Calder Contenders for the Los Angeles Kings out of 800, Slava Voinov. Slava Voinov for the LA Kings. Blank. Base of Miller and Petrolangelo. Last pack. Tim Thomas, Roberto Luongo. We got a Cup Contenders for the New York Rangers, Brad Richards out of 999. Brad Richards out of 999. Blank, Spezza, and Duchesne. And that's it for Contenders numero uno tonight. There's another one coming later. Thanks.